Hello everybody, I'm going to show you two different ways to fix this annoying error for Grand Theft Auto 5 on Windows. Try them both. The first method is to use the system file checker, so go to CMD in search, right click on this and click run as administrator. And here you're going to type in sfc/scan now. And wait for it to scan. It will take a couple of minutes, but basically this will check if there are any crop files on Windows. This is the most common way to fix this error, the easiest way to fix this error, I should say. The next thing you want to do is install the Visual C++ redistributables. This will be in the video description below. But from here, it will bring you to this page. You click on download, and once you've downloaded it, you click, you open. Once you've downloaded this, it will be a zip like this. You want to extract this zip somewhere, so let's extract it here. And once it's extracted, you're gonna see a couple of files like this, and you're gonna see a bat file called install_all.bat in the top. You want to double click on this, and you want to run this. This will basically go through your Windows and make sure this Visual C++ files are all up to date and they're all correct. This will take a couple of minutes, but this should fix your issue. Okay, if this helped you, please leave the video a like and please subscribe. It really helps the channel. Thank you very much and see you next time.